The fourth sum is find the cube root of the following. Now the number it is negative. And in the starting I already told you the cube root of beta negative number is always negative. So I find now the cube root of minus 343 and it is equals to minus of cube root of 343. You take minus outside this cube root. Now again do the prime factorization of 343. This is divisible by 7 and its factors now are 7, 7 and 7. So write down minus here and write down 3 factors 7, 7, 7. Now make the group of 3 number and corresponding to each 3 number we write only one number. So its answer is minus 7. Now the sum number 5 is using the rule cube root of a over b, it is equal to cube root of a, cube root of b. Find the cube root of the following. Now the beta number it is in the form of a fraction. You have to find the cube root of both numerator as well as denominator. And the method we are using the prime factorization method. Now I find the prime factors of 3375 and then 4913. Now 3375 it is divisible by beta 3. So we get the quotient 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 twos are and 3 fives are. Again it is divisible by 3. 3 threes are 9 and 22 3 sevens are and 3 fives are. Again 3 ones are 3 twos are 3 fives are. Then it is divisible by 5 twos are 5 fives are and 5 fives are and then 5 ones are. Now your next number is 4913. Beta 4913 it is divisible by 17. 17 2 89s are. And this is 17 17s are and 17 ones are. Now I have to find the cube root of 3375 over 4913 which is equals to, according to this formula, 3375 cube root over cube root of 4913. Now I simply write down its factors and make the 3 pairs. Now factors of 3375 and it is 3 into 3 and 5 into 5 into 5. Again in the denominator it is 17, 17 and 17. Now make the group of 3, same number. Corresponding to each number we write it once time. So together 3 makes 1 3, together 5 makes 1 5 and together 17 makes 1 17. And it becomes beta 3 5s are 15 over 17. And this is your required answer. Sum number 6 is using prime factorization method find the cube root of 10248788. For this, first of all I find the factors of 1024 and then 8788. You know it is divisible by the smallest prime number 2. So when I divide it with 2, we will find the quotient 2 5s are 2 1s are 2 2s are. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are. 2 1s are 2 2s are and 2 8s are. 2 6s are 2 4s are. 2 32s are beta 2 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 2 2s are 4 and then 2 1s are. Now I find the prime factors of 8788. It is divisible by again 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 9s are 2 4s are. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 9s are 2 7s are. 13 169s are. 13 13s are and 13 1s are. Now when I find the cube root of this, I write down all the factors inside the cube root. 2 appear here 10 times. So I write down 2 10 times here. Now 8788 here 2 appears 2 times. So I write 2 times of 2 and 13 appear 3 times. Now make the triplets of the same factor. 2 appear 3 times. Again 2 appear 3 times. And so on 13 appear 3 times. Now corresponding to each factor I write down the number outside. 2 appear here 1 times. 2 from this group. Write down here 2 from this group and 2 from this group and 13 from this group. Now do the multiplication. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16 and 16 multiplied by 13 it is 208, which is beta your required answer. Sum number 7 is The volume of a cube is 166375 meter cube. Find each side of the cube. Volume beta it is given to you 166375 meter cube. And the formula of a volume of a cube, it is side cube. And side of a cube, if you have to calculate its formula, it is cube root of volume. That is, simply we have to find the cube root of 166375. For this, I have to find its factors 166375. Now, it is divisible by beta number 5. 5 3s are 15. Again 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10. 5 7s are 35. 5 5s are 25. 5 6s are 30. 32. 5 6s are 30. And 5 5s are 5 5s are. 5 1s are 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 50. And 5 1s are. Now it is divisible by 11. Now beta, write down its factor inside the cube root. We will get 5 5 5, 11 11, 11. Take the group of 3 numbers. Now 1 5, one group of 5. Write down it 1 5 here. From another group I write down 1 11 here. 5 11s are beta 55. Now its unit is 55 meter. So side of a cube, each side of a cube, it is 55 meter each side.